How to accept friend request on a Snapchat. Hello, what's up everybody, welcome to another Snapchat video tutorial. This is Amar, you are watching Android Tech YouTube channel. In this Snapchat video today I'm going to show you how to accept friend request on a Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to open the Snapchat app that you have installed. Make sure you have logged in a Snapchat app, and if you want to accept someone request, so you must have a friend request on a Snapchat. So on the top right side of the screen you can realize there is a plus profile icon. So if you tap on this one, and as you see right now I have received one notification on a profile. So when I tap on this one, so you can realize that edit me in an edit me section you will be find a friend request. So as you see I have received a friend request, so you can realize there is a accept option. So you just need to tap on the accept option. So after a few seconds you will realize your friend will be added to your Snapchat friend list. So this is pretty nice feature which allows you to accept someone friend request on a Snapchat. And this is all about the video. This is very simple way to accept a friend request on a Snapchat. So this is all about the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you get more videos regarding Instagram and Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.